Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And Karen at Starts and Stitches and I recently did a Renaissance dress for two dolls, Ellowyne and a friend. And my problem was I did not have Ellowyne shoes, and Darren was not able to take the time to calibrate and make the shoe soles. But look, I have them now, and I really like them. On a live Thursday night, I did a little how-to on how I did these shoes with the little inserts, or what do you call them, insoles, and the shoe soles with ribbon, and those match her outfit. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
So mom's hollering for a baby. I could come find it. Just laying here in my horseradish.